fucking mixed up here now. 2 needs to go on 3. So that's 2, 1, 3. 1, 3, 4, 2. So that one needs to go there. And that one needs to go there. Try that.
Do with a bit of noodle or something on the end of this door.
A what? A bit?
Something like that on the edge of the door so I don't...
Right. That's better. Although didn't sound right, but
You sound like he's going to run on 2 to me.
shall I move the back end of the car over that side with the dollies?
Well, we're not far off, are we? So it sounded like he was only running on 2 to me.
Yeah. But at least he's running better, isn't he?
A lot better.
So let's just check this again. So that's 1, right?
Yeah, you may as well take it out of that bloody rubber guide until we got it fixed.
Okay, no, that's fucking hard.
Alright, leave it.
So that's 1 there, right?
Right.
1. 1. Now the next lower one, that's that one. So the next lower one is. So that's 1. That's it. That's the next lower one. Is that one? 1, 3, right? 1, 3, and then it'll be that one. 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 3. Then it's this one. And I got him on 2. 1, 3. Right, take him off of there. 1, 3, 4. 2. Alright, 1, 1, 3. I've just put him on 4 now, yeah? And that last one should be on 2. Try that now then.
Right. That one's out there.
That's a right bollock up, isn't it?
Well, as I said, pretty much expected.
I didn't. I thought he would be boom, gone.
Ready?
Yep. What was that? What, please? What was